Good morning, everyone. It was a chilly evening, but now I'm into my greenhouse. And I went uncovered, as you see, I cover all my plants in the late evenings, water them like in the mornings, and then cover them up at night because it gets really cold. It's like about 38, 37 degrees sometimes at night. So I just want to make sure everything's okay. So last night, when I came in to check out my garden, I'm going to uncover all my stuff now. But anyway, my green bean plant here had an invasion of ants. Nothing else. My collard greens are here. That's my extra backup of collard greens. And so I noticed last night, I was like, oh my God, there's a trail of ants that were crawling on the side of the bench here, all the way down. And I think they were coming from outside. I wasn't sure. So I wanted to find a safe way how to stop the ants from attacking my green bean plants, right? So what I did was I found out that you can use cinnamon. Cinnamon around your planters or the garden area will keep away the ants. Can you believe that? I was like, are you serious? So I had some cinnamon in a cabinet and I went on and sprinkled some here. Well, I swept the ants away first. I tried to shake out as much as I could of the ants, but they were really like in the soil. They were all over in there. After I watered it, they went crazy. So as you see, there's no ants. There are no ants this morning. Oh, wow. It really worked. So anyway, here's my sprinkled cinnamon. I sprinkled all around my bench. I don't care. It smells heavenly, especially around this time of the year. And I'm leaving it there because I don't want no ants coming into my plants. Okay, and here is my sweet potatoes planted there. And they are looking marvelous. Marvelous, darling. Those are my yams, actually. Okay, so we're going to come over here. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I sprinkled some more here because I didn't have no ant problems on this side, but I didn't want it to start. So I went on and sprinkled that as well. So I'm taking off my lid. And here's my lettuce and my sweet peppers and my spinach, my Brussels sprouts in the back there. Okay, I'm going to take these off. See, my bench just has cinnamon all the way around the edges there. All right, and this seems to be working. Okay, we don't have no ants invasions. If I would have left it, oh my gosh, ants would have been all over my plants, okay? And I was like, oh no, that is not happening. All this hard work, I do not want ants all on my leaves and my plants and stuff. So look at my cilantro, you guys. They're starting to really turn into little cilantros. You see the bottom one right there? That is a cilantro leaf, you guys. I'm so excited. And here's some little ones over here. See the little beveled leaves down there? Oh my goodness. Yes, they're growing cilantro, everyone. Oh, my plants are good back there. Those are the real looks of cilantro. Okay, this is my extra lettuce here. And here's my basil. Yes, my basil, sweet basil, and my tomato plant. So I just wanted to share the secrets of getting rid of the invasion of ants. See my cinnamon all down here? I sprinkled all down here. I sprinkled at the doorway. I sprinkled all the way down here, all the way to the back. I even went around the back here. I sprinkled back there on the pole. Yeah, I don't see any ants this morning. So that's good news, you guys. I just wanted to share the gardening tip with you guys. Cinnamon works to to get rid of the ants problems, infestation. So, all right, you guys. Talk to you soon. You guys stay tuned.